Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to open a Barclays Bank account online in just a few easy steps. First, open your browser and go to www.barclays.co.uk. That's the official Barclays website. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down and look for the account section. Here, you'll see different options like current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Choose the one that fits your needs. Next, click on Digital Banking, then tap Register under Online Banking. To be eligible, you must live in the UK, be 16 or older, and already have a Barclays account, card, savings, or mortgage. Now fill in your personal details, your full name, date of birth, postcode, account details, and sort code. Then enter and confirm your email address and click Next. After that, choose whether you want a single or joint account, provide your opening deposit details, and follow the on-screen steps to finish your registration. And that's it. You've successfully opened your Barclays Bank account online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking guides.